We are looking to do distribution to about 20 families around Kabati, and for the whole week we'll be doing distribution across Naivasha sub-county, Maimahiu, Moindabi, all these areas, Kerema, all these areas around Naivasha. So that's the plan for them. We are targeting to reach out to about 600 families, through this distribution.
From the database we have in Naivasha, we have about 1,700 persons living with disability in Viwandani, and translates to about 4,000 in the whole of Naivasha. So that is quite alarming, and what we have right now is quite short. We have so much aid, but we also want to ask the government, so any aid that comes to Kenya, it's up to us to make sure that that is duty free. We had to pay for this consignment. This aid we got from Arizona had to be checked out in the port, and that is quite touching. It should be like that, because that is aid that we received. The cases of persons living with disability in Naivasha are on the up and up, and what's alarming is that there is a new threat we have in town, the rickets, and especially for the young infants, the little children, because most of the parents you'll find leave the children in baby cares, baby centers, and in these baby centers you will not find adequate care for your children. This is not something I'd advocate for.